Hi, folks. It's your old friend, Mr. C. Oh, you never know that it snows here. Stores are packed. And when I say packed, I mean beyond packed. Yesterday was the busiest day in the history of the Big Market Basket in Salem. The store's been open for 4 years. Busier than Christmas, busier than Thanksgivings, busier than any other day in the history of that store. And this is the second busiest store in the chain. Today's much the same. It's wall-to-wall people, crowd control with the carriages, turning them sideways so people can get down the aisles. And that was at 9 o'clock in the morning. Shaw's, they have no water. Zero water. Don't people work? I mean, I understand, you're not going to go to work tomorrow because it's going to be shitty. It's going to be snowy and blowy. Who the hell takes Monday off to go shopping? Places are packed. Every goddamn person in the world is out here today. Nobody works. Just me, dummy. Big fat stupid dummy out here working like a dummy. Oh well. That's all I got. Talk to you later, folks. Bye.